Discover the seriously impressive science that goes on every time you cook or eat. This children's book explores the science of food by asking questions you're hungry to know the answers to, and putting them to the test through fun experiments. Science You Can Eat will transform your kitchen into a lab through fun food experiments. Cooking is chemistry, and the fun science experiments, such as tricking your taste buds, making slime taste delicious, and investigating some of the strangest flavors around will prove it. This exciting kids' book tackles all the tasty science questions you have about food, plus plenty more that you hadn't thought of. Once you understand science, you understand food, so find out why popcorn go pop as you test it out for yourself. Explore how taste is affected by smell, then discover whether eating insects is the future of food. Examining interesting ingredients and exciting eating, as well as peeking into the future of food, Science You Can Eat helps you understand what's happening with our food and why. Find the link below and buy the book now.